How to start your creative game with 100 shield and 100 health in 2024. This is the updated version. So as you guys can see, I just started my game. I'm at 100 shield and 100 health. So in today's video, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do that. Super simple and easy tutorial. So what you have to do firstly is go on your island settings. So once you're in your island settings, you have to go to the fourth option. So overview, mode, round, player, the fourth option right here, player. Just click on that. Then once you're in player, you have to go to 1, 2, 3, 4, the fourth option again. So just click on health. Then once you click on health, just follow my settings. So starting health percentage 100%, max health 100%. I'll go on shields. Make sure you have 100% shields and 100 shields. Then once this happens, just click on start game. Just wait 3 seconds. Then once you start your game, you should be at 100 shield and 100 health. If this video helped, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching the video.